Welcome back to Katie's Cool Creations, or welcome if you're new here to the channel. And this week's really awesome Christmas video is how to make DIY Christmas gifts. It's pretty much a tradition here on the channel to do that every year, so get excited because I'm going to teach you how to make them, and they're literally 2 minutes to make each. Yeah. So, if you are new here to the channel, like usual, it would be really appreciated if you go down below and click that subscribe button so you don't miss any new awesome videos from me here on the channel. And that would just be so appreciated, so you can be part of the fam. And yeah, without further ado, let's get on with the first DIY gift idea in this week's video. Let's go. This first DIY I have for you guys is just this really cute twine Christmas tree that was honestly so easy to make. So let's make it. So the supplies you will need for this DIY is some scissors, a hot glue gun, brown twine, white twine, and a foam Christmas tree form thing. You can find them at your local craft store, but I'm going to first begin by taking mine and taking my brown twine as well, and begin by unrolling that twine to get a pretty long piece to start gluing that onto the bottom of my Christmas tree. So here I'm taking my hot glue, gluing a dot at the bottom, and then picking up my twine and sticking that on the glue and then wrapping it around once, and then continuing with my glue and wrapping it around and gluing and wrapping around and gluing. I think you get it, but yeah, I'm just doing that to about a quarter of the way to the top, and then I'm cutting it with my scissors and then gluing that excess string onto it. And now I'm taking my white twine that I have and making a glue dot above the brown twine that we just finished, and wrapping that and gluing it, and wrapping that and gluing it. Like we said, you probably understand it, but it's easier to watch the video. But yeah, and then cutting that one and then gluing, and then continuing with the brown twine and then the white twine and the brown twine and the white twine. So yeah, it's pretty easy, but it is more time consuming than the other DIYs, but it turns out to be so cute in the end. And then when you get to the top, just add glue to the whole top and then just wrap it around carefully, and just keep doing that, and then cut with your scissors the excess string and then finish gluing that to the top. And yeah, that is pretty much it. I think it is a really cute Christmas tree DIY, super festive, great gift for anybody, and I love the colors in it. I think it just really turned out cute, and yeah, it's an awesome DIY. Hey you! Yeah, you, right there. I just wanted to interrupt the video here and just say, do you guys realize the fact we are almost at 2,000 subscribers? That is crazy. We are so close. And my Christmas wish for you guys is for you guys to just go down below and click that subscribe button so we can possibly reach 2,000 subscribers by the end of the year. That's a goal for sure, but let's just say we may or may not have a giveaway planned for you at 2,000 subscribers. So click that subscribe button. It would be very appreciated. And let's just continue with the DIYs. Woo! DIY number 2 I have for you guys is this super cute, really festive looking Christmassy arrangement. It is so pretty, and I'm going to show you guys how to make it. So the supplies you'll need for this second DIY is some fake moss, a jar little cup thing that I got at Dollar Tree, some brown twine, floral foam, and a red floral arrangement things. So first I'm going to begin by taking my floral foam, and beware, this is very messy, but I'm going to also take scissors and try to cut that into a little piece that will fit into my little cup jar thing. It's actually a candle holder that I got at Dollar Tree for $1, and there's the foam inside. And now I'm taking my floral stuff, I guess you could call it, that's red, and cut the tag off of that from Dollar Tree and just push that right into the foam inside of my jar thing. I don't really know what you want to call it. And then I realized, sadly, when it was in there, that it is way too tall. So here I had to get some pliers. It was actually very hard to cut it, but I got it. And then I pushed it in again, and it looked so much better, so I was happy, and there it is. And now I'm taking the fake moss I have. I believe Dollar Tree sells this as well, but I just had some laying around, so I'm putting that in to my jar under the arrangement just to make it more real looking and just more put together, and I don't know, just to dress it up a little more. And then I'm taking some scissors of mine and just cutting the pieces overhanging the jar and just giving it a little trim, you know? And this is what it looks like right now. It's so cute already, but just to top it off with that cherry on top, I'm taking my brown twine and tying it around the top of the jar and making a cute little bow just to dress it up even more than it already was. It's so cute. I love it. This is a great gift, even if you just make it for yourself and decorate your room or house with it. It's awesome. I think it turned out so cute. I love it so much. For the last and final DIY in today's video, we are going to be making one of the cutest DIYs in today's video, a super cute mitten cork glove. So the supplies you'll need for this is pretty simple, just some cork, scissors, marker, paintbrushes, paint, twine, and a plate for your paint. So let's begin. So I'm first going to start by taking some white paint, which I also forgot to mention, sorry, and also my cork, and then I'm going to take a marker with that. And I actually looked up online on my tablet what a mitten looks like, because for a second I kind of blanked out. And then I just drew that on paper and then cut it out basically for like a stencil, or just a good idea of tracing around that, if that makes sense. So you can do this also. And then I traced that onto my cork, and then now I'm just taking my scissors and cutting that out so I have the perfect cute mitten shape. And then just trimming up the edges to make it look as nice as possible. So here it is. And then now it is time for the fun part, the painting. So I'm taking all my paintbrushes and then pouring out my gray paint. And then I didn't like how dark the gray paint was, so I took some white paint of mine and then adding that to the gray paint, and then taking a toothpick to just mix that all up to get the light gray color that I want. So that is what we're gonna do. And here is the gray color that I have been wanting. I think it turned out cute. Now you can take your mitten, and I'm taking my big foam brush and just applying that light gray paint onto my cork mitten. So that is what I'm doing. It was honestly really quick. And then if you want to do the edges without touching it, use a toothpick like I did. And yeah, I'm just gonna let this dry overnight. It did take a while to dry, but it's okay because it was worth it in the end. So let that dry. Once that was dry, it did darken a little, so next time I'll lighten it a little more, but that's okay. And now I'm going to take more of my white paint and a very small, thin paintbrush that I have, and basically what I'm going to do is take my mitten and paint in the middle of the mitten a snowflake. I think that will just make it look so complete. So that is what I'm doing here, and don't mind my art because I know I'm not the greatest. I just try, so if it's not the greatest looking, please don't judge me because I tried. So yeah, this is my snowflake, me painting it right here. And then I decided at the bottom of my mitten to just make a little white line of like fluff on a mitten. I don't know. I just thought it added a cute extra thing to the bottom. And then now for the hanging part, I'm taking some extra twine and then my hot glue gun and securing the twine on the back of the mitten with the hot glue gun, just like this, and then securing it to the top so it doesn't move around as much. And yeah, basically I think it turned out so cute. Let me know for yourself, guys. You guys need to try this one out. Here it is on my tree that I just got this year. I think it's so cute. I really like it. This is a great gift for anybody that likes ornaments. And that is pretty much it for this week's video. I really hope every single one of you enjoyed it. Once again, all of these DIYs that we made turned out so cute again. I always have such a hard time deciding my favorite. We did the ornament one, I can see it right there. We did that Christmas tree, twine tree. We did that super cute arrangement thing, that very easy, simple. They're all simple, but that one had to be the easiest, the quickest. You get it. But yeah, I can't choose a favorite again, but if you guys can, be sure to comment it down below so I can read that, and yeah. And if you did enjoy this video, be sure to give it a big thumbs up by clicking that like button along with subscribing. We're almost to 2,000 subscribers like we mentioned, so let's get there, guys. Tell your friends and family to subscribe. But yeah, just hopefully you guys enjoyed this video, and yeah, next week is Christmas. Please don't even mention that, but I do want to wish you all a very happy, Merry Christmas. And yeah, it's just hard to believe it's next week already. That's crazy, but I'm wishing you all a very Merry Christmas. So hopefully you guys did enjoy this week's video once again, and I love you guys so much, and I will see you all in my next video. Bye!